Turning your engine 12J143. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. With the solenoid compressor, you can see any damage. Same as well like on altimeter, but we have little damage on this part. And on this side, everything's good. Starter without any damage. Look as well on the gearbox. Gearbox not broken. Same as well like on this side. Engine's turbo looks good. On the top, we didn't see any damage. All connectors on good conditions. And on the bottom, all some without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 12J143.